Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the session, The Future of Creativity in the Age of Generative AI. We're very happy to be here. And in 1843, nearly 200 years ago, Ada Lovelace had a vision that computers could create music. This dream has now become a reality. And the creative achievements of AI, once unimaginable, are now an evolving and fascinating reality. The question of whether a machine could compete with creative giants like Mozart, like Bach, like Shakespeare and Rembrandt will once seem unimaginable. However, AI technologies have developed significantly and contribute to showcasing new capabilities. AI is not new. It's been with us for 70 years, but it seems that the developments in generative AI in the last year and a half were the big bang, and it's referred to as the biggest change in the 100 or even 500 last 500 years, and that's what we are going to discuss today. We meet today at a fascinating and complex time when AI is revolutionizing the creative industries, especially the music industry. AI can analyze and understand data at unprecedented speed and produce musical compositions that surprise us with their precision, their complexity, and emotion. The new tools allow musicians and creators to break boundaries and explore new horizons. We're in a situation where AI is not just a technical tool, but it's a real partner in creating music. I want to play some examples. So, Francois Pachet in 2016 created, who is with us today. He was at Sony at the time and launched the Flow Machine, an AI technology for composing music. And in September 2016, they released that song, Daddy's Car, which is considered the first pop song in the world created by AI, and it is based on a selection of the Beatles song. Let's hear a few sounds.
So good, like something new, it turns me on. Good day, sunshine in the backseat car. I wish that road could never stop. Down on the ground, the rainbow led me to the sun. Please, mother, drive and then play it.
Okay, so that's pop song, but what would you say if we hear classical music, violin? What do you say about this, for example? Classical music, this is released, it was released a month ago by violinist Daniel Kurganov. What you're hearing is music entirely composed by AI and played by AI. And I think that this does challenge many conceptions, and you might start asking yourself some questions. Okay, we'll carry on. It doesn't matter. And anyway, let's say that the next one is actually, what would you say if you just whistled a tune and then the AI created an entire song from that?
Ooh, gonna hum. Ooh, gonna hum. Ooh, na, na, na. Ooh, gonna hum.
So I think that the advanced technology brings with it unlimited possibilities for creation, collaboration, and innovation. However, alongside the excitement about the creative potential, we must face complex questions and significant challenges. Does this technology enhance human creativity, or does it threaten it? How can we ensure that AI shall not replace us? The technological developments raise deep philosophical questions and require us to rethink the nature of art, of creativity, of technology, and even what it means to be human. AI also challenges a fundamental principle of copyright law and creates substantial challenges. Copyright law is based on the assumption of a human author. But what about works created by the machine? Should there be a copyright protection? And if so, who should own the rights to such a work? It can be the user, it can be the programmer, it can be the machine, it can be maybe a joint authorship, it can be maybe a work made for hire, or maybe we don't need copyright for such a work. So Today's conference basically is intended to address these questions and many others. We will hear from some of the world-leading experts in AI, art, and music about the latest developments in that field, and which will discuss the impact of AI on the creative process, the opportunities and challenges, and try to understand together what the future of creativity and, in fact, of humanity will look like in the generative AI era. This conference is a joint initiative of S. Horowitz and Co. and the AI Week. S. Horowitz is Israel's first established law firm and recently celebrated its 100 years anniversary. Our firm actually was formed before the State of Israel, but alongside the tradition and the legacy for excellence, we innovate, and we have established a pioneering department specializing in the development and in this significant field, AI, aiming to assist companies and organizations to navigate in this new legal world. I especially want to thank the distinguished speakers who have come from around the world to participate in this truly unique conference. It is not taken for granted, particularly in these times, and we greatly appreciate it. I would like to thank S. Horowitz & Co., the managing partners, and Limor and all the marketing team at S. Horowitz, and to Gili and the entire team at the AI Week for their hard work and assisting me in producing this conference. And to you, thank you very much for coming, and we wish you a fruitful, interesting, and inspiring conference. We cannot forget the hostages, and we wish for their return home soon.